these two are position functions. All right, so we still want to know when is it speeding up and when is it slowing down. And for that, we need the graph of the velocity. So look, this is has a positive, right? It has a positive slope here. So it's positive for the velocity graph. Let me change the color here. Okay, positive. And here it's 0. So it's going to be 0 there, it's going to be 0 there, and it's positive, and then it's going to come down, be negative, right? Positive, come down, be negative, and then go back up. Okay, here it's only 0 here, right? It's negative, right? And there's an inflection point, but it's constantly negative, and it's coming up here like this. Now here it's positive, so it's going to go up. So this part, I think we need to refine a little bit. Here it's, it's more negative here, and it kind of flattens out to a certain value, right? And the inflection point here, and it becomes a little more negative again, so it goes down again, and then it comes back up to here. So there's this thing happening. Okay, so that's sort of the difference. Let me just fill that out. Okay, so looking at the red graph, we should be able to better determine when it's speeding up. So it's speeding up if the tangent slope on the velocity graph, so it's speeding up when the velocity is positive and the acceleration is positive. Okay. So velocity is positive here, and acceleration is always positive, right? So velocity is positive here. 1, 2, 3. And all the slope is positive here. So when t is greater than 3, it's speeding up. And velocity is negative, so if they're both negative, acceleration and velocity is negative, it's also speeding up. It's negative from here to here, and the slope is negative only from 1 to 2. So t is from 1 to 2. Okay, so these two times, this is speeding up. Okay, and slowing down, of course, right? Slowing down when t is from 0 to 1. Okay, or from 2 to 3. Okay, now let's go to this one. So again, velocity is positive only after 3, and acceleration is always positive there because it's just a positive tangent slope. So when t is greater than 3, it's speeding up. Now it's negative here, okay, but the slope is only negative here in this region, from 1 to 2. So when t is from 1 to 2, velocity is negative and acceleration is negative. Okay, so that's when it's speeding up, which means when t is from 0 to 1, right, or when t is from 2 to 3, okay, it's slowing down.